Hi guys, so today what we're going to do is going to paint the tabletop. Before I paint, we're going to use, I have a disc with the 80 grit sandpaper. We're going to prep the surface, remove all this gloss, and then we're going to paint on it so that paint can stick to it properly. I went out yesterday and got these L brackets, pretty cheap. I got this L brackets around 500. These were the folding kinds, right? So they are 18 inches by 7 to 8 inches long over here. So this goes towards the wall, it's 18 inches. So I spent 100 more and I got them welded. So now they're sturdy, really strong, and I am 100% sure that they can hold this weight plus a computer and a monitor. So this is going to be painted white. This is next. Let's get started with the prep of the tabletop.
"48 hours later."
4 coats. I've done 4 coats and 24 hours. So it's dry to the touch, but it's still wet. So what I have done is, I think you can see, I've put borders. I got rid of the plan for putting PVC strips. Instead, I got bidding, wood bidding, and I'm going to bid it, and then we're going to paint it white. So it's going to be a black top with white borders. It'll look nice. So I've already done 3 sides. I have one more side to go, and I'll show you guys how we're going to do it. And there you have it, a floating table, done. This is just a prop. I'm going to be building a PC on that case. Stay tuned for that. I went out and changed the brackets. I got a better bracket. I got these brackets which hold bolts. So now this table is more sturdy. It can hold up onto 105 kgs because I already stood on it and it didn't move. So the old ones, which I have here, these are screwed. So when I screwed these to the wall, what happened when I sat on it, it bent outside towards the front, right? It still did not fall, but better to be safe. So I went and got better brackets. So thank you guys. Hope you liked it. Give a thumbs up if you liked it. Thumbs down if you didn't like it. Share, subscribe, hit the bell icon for my future videos. Bye.